How to sell items on eBay from your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sell items on eBay directly from your phone. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your phone. After you open browser, in the source field, search for ebay.com. After you are from your account, simply tap on your profile icon at the top right. From your profile section, tap on selling. From selling section, if you want to sell any product or item, you'll have to just list them. Simply tap on list an item. Or I'll tap on list an item. From here, you'll have to just list your product, like what kind of your product or item you want to sell. Simply from here, you can choose your match, or you can also tap on the option continue without match. From here, select the condition like new with box, new without boxed, or any kind of option. Simply, you'll have to select them and tap on continue. And from the section, complete your listing, like you have to add at least 5 photos, as you can also add up to 24 photos and 1 minute video. To add them, simply tap on the gallery icon, add video and inner side. After that, you'll have to just provide the title. After here, you'll have to complete all of the configuration from here, and after you provide all of the details of your product or item, simply you'll have to come on the section pricing, and from here you'll have to select your pricing like action duration, starting bid, buy it now option and reserve option. As usual, you can as usual schedule your listing and it will be auto relist also. After that, you have to just provide the weight, your all kinds of criteria or your all details of that item. Simply after you complete from here, scroll down at the bottom and tap on list it. After you complete from there, you'll be able to add that item on your list, and from there, if any buyers wanted to buy or purchase your item, simply from there you can easily sell your product on eBay. If this helped, please like and follow for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.